Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keyboard auto spell check on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, we go down and tap on general management. Then in here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then go down and tap on auto spell check. And tap on the language that you want to turn on auto spell check. You can tap on it again to switch it off. Now, once it is switched on, it will underline misspelled words in red and suggest corrections. And then now if I tap on the home key to go back to my home screen, and I'm going to open up the text messaging app. So in here I will try to put in some incorrect word to see if it shows up. So here it's got that yell, so it's offering me auto corrections. So if I put in something, so you can see it will try to offer me to put in the correct word. And because the dictionaries already automatically suggest the correct word, so that's why there's no underline in red. So here, if I purposely put something wrong in, you can see it shows a red underline to tell me that that word is somehow incorrectly spelled, so you can fix it. And that's it. Finally, you can just tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.